AI coding habits. 3 habits that slow down your growth when you code with AI. This video covers 3 specific habits that slow down your growth as a developer when you use AI to code: accepting suggestions without reading them, accepting code without asking why it works, and skipping the struggle by reaching for AI too soon. What the model actually does. Let's ground this in plain terms. An AI coding model isn't reasoning about your specific code base. It's pattern matching. It compares your prompt to millions of examples it has already seen and guesses what usually comes next. That guess is often good, but it isn't the same as understanding your project. 3 habits that stall you. 3 specific habits are worth watching for. Skipping the read on what the AI suggests, skipping the why behind code that already works, and skipping the struggle entirely before you even try the problem yourself. Skipping the read, skipping the why, skipping the struggle. Habit 1. The first suggestion isn't always the right one. Habit 1. The AI suggests a line of code. It looks reasonable, so you hit accept and move on. That's the habit, accepting the first suggestion without actually reading it. Looks right. One character is doing all the damage. Look at this example. A function checks if a user is old enough. The AI's suggested fix looks almost identical, but it swapped one symbol. Now anyone exactly 18 gets rejected. Skim past it, and that single character slips right through. Why this stalls your growth. Here's why this specific habit hurts you, not just your code. Reading and checking code is a trained skill. You only get better at it by doing it. Skip the read every time and that skill never grows. And it's exactly the skill you'll need the day you're debugging alone. Reading code is a trained skill. Skip it and it never gets trained. That's the skill you'll need to debug alone. The real fix. Read it like you'll own it. The fix is simple to say, harder to build as a habit. Before you accept anything, read it like you're the one who will own this code forever. Ask yourself, does this actually do what I think it does? That pause is what keeps you in charge. Habit 2, it works, but do you know why? Habit 2, the code runs, the tests pass, so you copy it in and move to the next task without ever asking why it actually worked. Works for the wrong reason. The fix that hides the real bug. Here's a common one. Data goes missing sometimes when a page loads. The AI suggests a short delay before rendering and the bug seems to disappear. But the delay didn't fix anything. It just got lucky enough to outrun a timing problem that's still there. Copy this without asking why, and it resurfaces later, somewhere harder to find. Why this stalls your growth. This habit stalls you in a specific way. When you understand why a fix works, that understanding transfers to the next bug, even one that looks completely different. When you only copy the fix, you gain nothing reusable. You'll keep hitting the same problem in disguise. Understanding transfers. Copying doesn't. Next bug, same root cause, different disguise. Without the why, you solve it forever. The real fix. Make this a rule. Every time AI code works, ask one question out loud: why does this actually work? If you can't answer in one sentence, you don't know yet. And that sentence is worth more than the code itself. Habit 3. Reaching for AI before you even try. Habit 3, and it's the sneakiest one. You see the problem, and before attempting it yourself, even for 2 minutes, you already open the AI tool. The struggle never even starts. Why this stalls your growth. Here's the plain reasoning behind this one. When you struggle with a problem before seeing the answer, your brain builds a stronger memory of the solution. Psychologists call this productive struggle. Skip it and the answer barely sticks. Worse, you stay dependent on having AI in the room every time. Struggling first builds stronger memory. Skip it and the answer barely sticks. You stay dependent on having AI in the room. The real fix. The fix is a simple loop. Try the problem yourself first, even just 10 minutes alone. Let yourself hit a real wall and notice exactly where you got stuck. Only then, ask the AI a specific question about that exact wall, not the whole problem. You keep the struggle, you just don't stay stuck in it. Use AI to learn FASTER, not SLOWER, how to actually get better. Put all three fixes together and here's what learning faster with AI actually looks like. Read before you accept. Ask why it works every time. And struggle first for a few minutes before you ask for help. None of it slows you down much, but it changes what kind of engineer you become. Object, 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 object. The real difference. Here's the real difference in one line. Used one way, AI replaces the struggle and you feel fast without actually learning. Used the other way, AI just shortens the struggle, you still do the thinking, you just don't waste hours stuck. Same tool, very different outcome. The bottom line, AI can make you faster. Only you can make you better. AI can absolutely make you faster. It clears busy work and unblocks you in seconds. But it can't build your judgment for you. Only reading closely, asking why, and struggling on purpose can do that, and that part is still entirely on you. Keep LEVELING up. New breakdowns like this every week. If this helped you spot your own habits, subscribe. New engineering breakdowns land every week.